We need to save Earth's fresh water because now only 3% of Earth's water is actually really drinkable. 97% of Earth's water is actually drinkable. Did you know that 1 out of 3% of Earth's fresh water is found underground or in rivers, lakes, and swamps? 2 out of 3% of Earth's fresh water is found in icebergs, otherwise known as ice glaciers. Did you know that 70% of your body is made fully of water? You can live without food for 3 months, but only 3 days without water. You can die without water, so we can't waste it. We must use Earth's precious water really wisely. The water cycle goes round and round, and you know, it never ever will ever end. Collection is where water is stored until it's evaporated. Water goes in and out of different places, called collection. The different forms of collection can be in lakes, oceans, and many more places too. Evaporation is when tiny, wincy little water molecules comes out of collection. In the air, if the temperature is high but there's more wind, there will be more and more evaporation. Transpiration is when little tiny water molecules, all formed in collection underground and things, comes up into plants. Then when they're ready, like evaporation, they come up out of the plants and into the sky. Condensation. Condensation means tiny water molecules going up higher and higher. The higher they go, the colder it gets. It gets colder and colder until they condense together to form a cloud. There are many types of clouds, like cumulus, stratus, rain clouds, and many more other forms of condensation. Also, like fog or mist. Precipitation is when water molecules get cold and squished together. They get heavy and fall in many types of rain, snow, and hail. You use water in many ways, like drinking, sewage, transport, and caring for crops and plants. Everybody knows you drink a lot of water in your life. But did you know that some water you may drink might have been on Earth 300 million years ago? Water is always clean. Sometimes it starts clean and gets dirty. Like when you have rainwater on roads, it goes into drains, which will lead to sewers, where your stuff and business goes. The clean rainwater turns into really super duper dirty, disgusting water. We use the sea for many things, including washing things such as oil boats. All that oil gets washed into the deeps of the ocean where sea animals live and breathe. Killing an animal's oil is bad and we need to stop it now. There are lots of fish in the world, especially ones we eat, but lately things like pollution poison fish, so we can't eat them anymore unless we are willing to die. Water is a big part in our lives, but how we treat it is terrifying. We use and dirty water every day, but we treat water so bad that now we have chemicals in our drinking water, which means poison undrinkable water. In 1999, more than 5,000 salmon and trout died from pig slurry in the river. The pig slurry took away all the oxygen. Local fishermen say that the fish were jumping out of the water gasping for air. Boats are a type of transport for not just people, but oil as well. In 1989, a boat full of oil hit a coral reef, letting loose 11 million gallons of loose oil in the ocean, killing way more than 1,000 animals. Animals and people are dying and getting hurt, and it's all our fault. Help save our world, help save our water. Nobody wants to live in a world with no water.